Great, welcome back. We will be talking about airports with a tower and without a tower. Additionally, we'll touch upon some communication, starting with the CTAF or Common Traffic Advisory Frequency and multicom. And here's a common frequency, 122.9er. Air traffic control and the airport tower are responsible for providing safe, orderly, and expeditious flow of air traffic. A non-towered airport does not have an operating control tower, obviously, right? So, two-way radio communication is not required. It is, however, good practice to transmit your intentions within 10 nautical miles of the airport. To communicate your intentions, you must choose the correct common frequency. In this case, common frequency really means CTAF, or Common Traffic Advisory Frequency. It's a generic term. One of the frequencies is called a multicom, on frequency 122.9er. Okay, let's dive into the CTAF a little bit more. The Common Traffic Advisory Frequency is a frequency designated for the purpose of carrying out airport advisory practices. Don't worry, CTAF frequencies are identified in VFR sectional charts. They'll be identified as Unicom, Multicom, FSS, or a tower frequency. Here is a helpful chart. Take a look at the first column. They all have something in common. No tower or no operating tower, or the tower is not currently in service. But let's focus on the second line. That's the one with no tower, no FSS, and no Unicom. In this case, when you're approaching this airport without a tower, without FSS, or without Unicom, you're going to self-announce on multicom frequency 122.9er. You're going to self-announce your intentions at least 10 nautical miles away from that particular airport. For the inbound column, they all have something in common, and that is you're going to announce your intentions within 10 nautical miles. For each one of these situations, with the exception of line 2, you're going to self-announce or communicate your intentions on the published CTAF frequency. Here's a good example. Take a look at these airports: Carson Airport, Maiden Tahoe Airport, and Lake Tahoe Airport. Each one of these has a CTAF frequency listed. All right, here are the frequencies for the three airports, starting from the top, moving our way down. 123.0 for Carson. The next one is 123.05, and at the bottom, Lake Tahoe, 122.85. For airports or landing strips that don't have any type of frequency listed on the VFR sectional chart, use the multicom 122.9er.